just now fitting a Tesla style head unit to my Ford Mondeo, and one thing they don't mention is that you actually still need to keep your heater control system of sorts, like this part that usually sits down here. You still need this plugged in for the actual touchscreen to work. So this basically talks back to this blue CAN bus box, which connects into the main Tesla screen. Now obviously you can't just leave it hanging out like willy-nilly, so I'm going to cable tie mine up the back here. I must say I've done a bit of creative removal of plastic interior, but yeah, so that's going to get cable tied up there. If you don't have that plugged in, you will not have any air conditioning. So the head unit's now firmly anchored in, properly set in, and the heater control unit is actually, as you saw earlier, behind this unit. Now the other thing you need to do in order to actually control your air conditioning in the Ford Mondeo with the Tesla style Android head unit is you need to go over to the side of your steering wheel, and down here, inside here, there's actually a plug that you need to plug in. Usually there's nothing plugged in there, but this plug came with the player, so you plug that in, and the wire that goes from there is actually going underneath and behind the dash and plugs into the back of this head unit. Without that wire and without the original heater controls, you'll have no air conditioning control. Now also, in order to close this up again with a connector plugged in there, you need to shave this bit of plastic off a bit, so that's been cut off so that can actually close now.